Geoffrey, co-head chef, along with Teenola, Govender, and Mazza at Local.
And today we're going to be preparing some abalone Cape Cream. We're going to whole roast it, rub it with Mazza Hanout, serve it with some fresh herbs and charred lime. So on the fish, we use something called Mazza Hanout, and it's a North African spice blend. It comes specifically from Morocco, and its direct translation is top shelf spices. So it was essentially back in the day the best of the best spices. And we've taken the various quantities and made our own blend, and it goes deliciously with the fish because it complements the smoky flavor that it gets in the oven.
Okay, so these are the spices that we use for the Ras Al Hanout spice mix. So our whole spices are cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorns, fennel seeds, and cardamom pods. And then powder spice wise, we have paprika, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, turmeric, allspice, and then just a little bit of salt and sugar mix. I'm gonna get these toasted quickly and then grind them up. Let's see that start to pop. That's it. That's Ras Al Hanout spice blend, sort of our version of it. So we try to keep this dish quite simple in terms of preparation of the fish. So we keep it whole and we just remove all the gills and the fins just for ease of eating for our guests. And it gives people the opportunity to eat every part of the fish. You know, not a lot of people are introduced to whole fish, and quite a lot of people enjoy it actually. So I'm just going to score down both sides. Gives it opportunity for the spice mix that we use to get all the way into the fish. So this is our Ras Al Hanout spice mix. It's quite popular in North Africa and through the Middle East, and it comes in various blends. So this is the blend that we've chosen to do, and we give quite a generous amount into that fish, getting into all those grooves. And then season it with salt, and then it goes straight onto our tray, straight into the oven. Very simple. So doing a lot of our research into the food in the Middle East, a lot of it is cooked over fire and hot stones, and a lot of the flavor that the coal oven gives really helps with the flavor of the fish. Nice, smoky, and the dish that the way we ended off has a giant, nice, deep, rich smokiness to it.
This is the sesame Ras Al Hanout dressing. It's something that is a bit unfamiliar to most people. It's our own concoction, our way of taking a very traditional dish and giving it a new spin with some fresh flair. So in here we have garlic, ginger, sambal, some onions, white sesame seeds and lime juice. It's a really Moorish, acidic dressing that goes on top of our fish and just gives it a new dimension of flavor.